Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. In this video, I will show you how to import a list of email contacts to your GetResponse account. First, make sure the list file meets all the import requirements by GetResponse, such as file size, format, and data formatting to be sure the file contents get successfully uploaded to your contact list. I will leave a link in the description below with a full list of import requirements by GetResponse. But in brief, the file needs to be in one of the following formats, either .xls up to 10 megabytes or .csv, text, VCF, XLSX, ODS up to 50 megabytes in size. Okay, now let's start adding our contacts into our GetResponse account. First, head over to your GetResponse account dashboard. If you don't yet have a GetResponse account, make sure to check our previous video on how to create a free forever GetResponse account. I will leave a link to this video in the description below. Now from the dashboard, go to Lists. Here you'll find all the email lists on the account by name, and you can easily create or edit these lists. You can directly choose the list you want to add the contacts into by hovering over the three dots next to the list name, and then click Add Contacts. Or you can just click on the button that says Add Contacts. After that, a new page will open. First, choose the list you want to import your contacts into, and then choose the method you want to add these contacts. You can either add them one by one or upload a file. And this is how we are going to import our contact emails in this video. So before uploading the file, as we said before, make sure to use a file that meets the import requirements, such as using supported file format like XLS up to 10 megabytes in size, or CSV, text, VCF, XLSX, ODS up to 50 megabytes. Now click Select the file from your computer and find the file that contains the list of emails that you want to upload. This is a sample list that I created. You can assign different fields for every email, like name or location. And from here, you can choose what to do with the contact information you just uploaded. You can add and update existing, or only add them as new contacts, or just update existing contacts on your list. And finally, check this option and make sure you have the permission to add these emails to your list, and then click Next. Now you'll have a final review for the contacts you just added. And if you're okay with that, then click Import. You can easily check the status of uploaded emails by clicking on the list name in this page. And here, you can see how many emails were successfully uploaded to your list. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to the channel and enable the notification bell to get notified with every new video. And if you have any questions, please leave your question in a comment below the video, and I will try my best to answer all of your questions. For more tutorials, check out the playlist with the link in the description below for step-by-step guides on how to use GetResponse. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.